It's like an old cowboy thing.
That's freaking old range, like the freaking One House on the Prairie.
It's like prairie dog shit.
It's going great.
Are you still recording?
That bitch gonna fall in half.
Pull on it. It's coming out.
That thing comes up, Micah.
It makes the tent come out.
That thing comes up. It comes up like it's a big umbrella.
It might get the tent.
Freaking bolted on.
What's that nigga?
Okay, watch that coming. That freaking shit fell over.
Pull out some more. Huh? We can be back here.
Okay.
Look out.
Hey, don't go over there to that
We
organ.
should try. Here, let's try to get this in.
Hey, my dad has that power saw.
Let's get it and cut that thing open. For real.
Don't cut it open, just hit the lock.
Yeah. Let's go do it.
It's actually flying around.
No, we're not gonna. We're gonna cut right here and open up another hole.
I'm talking about just do this. Yeah.
It's gonna take forever.
Just do this. Yeah.
No, we're gonna cut through the wood because it's soft. All right, come on.
Tell that bitch plug out like some of the
Y'all have a bunch of cool stuff behind y'all.
Come on, nigga.
Jack is about to break it open.
Oh, watch out. I'll just.
Still recording. Here you go, Mikey. Still recording. Jacket. No, he ain't gonna get that.
Let's go get that power
She's
saw.
gonna come back and hit me or something.
Yeah. You ready to get all them coat?
Dude, there's still fireworks in there.
There's airsoft.
Let's go get that power saw.
There's an airsoft in there. Airsoft can.
After that, here's the what?
Alright, let's go, Mike. He's gonna stay here for what?
I don't know how to get out of here.
Follow me. Follow me.
Where would that power saw be?
Oh, yeah.
Hey, do you think my dad would care if we did this?
Yeah.
He'd probably say no.
I know he would.
Alright, where's that power saw at?
Let's go do it.
We could probably break this open.
In the room, probably.
We need look at that machete. Get that machete, stick it in there and freaking break it open. Alright, let's go. Brandon, go get that machete.
Oh, Jacob knocked it behind the chest when he opened the lid. When we opened
No, it's just sitting on the lid. Go get it. Here. Here, let go of that shit. Here, let go of it. Let go of it. It's gonna come back and hit me. Here, I need some. Get something metal. Get something metal. That'll hold up. Here, get that lid right there. And lift it up and put it back on the. Yeah, put it. Yeah. Reach back there and get it then. I'm just looking around. Huh? Don't worry about it. Just get the machete. Hurry up.
I can't see.
Lift the freaking lid off the safe. Hurry up. Hurry the fuck up. That's wood. Alright, so you think if we stick it between that lock and freaking pull, it's gonna break? Well, we need something flat. Here, get that pitchfork right there. Get that pitchfork right there. Hand me that pitchfork right there. Come on.
Looks like an easier way.
Let's just check it. Here, grab it. Come back here and grab it.
Huh?
Come back here and go grab it. Just in case. Ah! Here, where do we go now? Go here. You're freaking pitchfork. Here. Here, stick this in between that top lock. Stick it right here. And just pull out like that.
Leverage.
No, shake it up and down.
Got it. If you pull it out, just.
I'm pulling out the screws.
That's all we need to pull it out.
Do this.
Here, get this white bar. Do it with this white bar. Is it out?
No.
Here, like, put it in between the door.
I got a little bit more to go.
Hey, let's kind of be quiet in case we're not supposed to be back here. Hey, it doesn't look too bad in here. No?
Those are remodeled for next year.
They
Because they didn't have the roof fixed and everything.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, well.
There's money in that jar.
What's that, nigga?
Go in there and grab that cooler right there.
It's got some fish in it. They didn't have that roof fixed.
Here,
Yeah,
go grab that cooler. Go grab that cooler.
And the floor was kind of sunk in.
Yeah,
They
man.
got Christmas lights over here.
They're gonna.
A brand new box of fireworks. Oh, fuck. Fuck you, bitch.
Be quiet.
What do you mean?
Is that a knife?
Where?
Up there by that plastic can right there. Right there. Yeah.
Sorry?
What is it?
Headphones?
Headphones?
Mhm.
Here, hand them to me. Ah! Dude, these are badass.
It's got some light.
Dude, this is fucking...
This is being built for that kid.
What's in there? Huh?
Here, let me up right here.
Here, don't go in there right now. Here, check, get that box right there. Get the box right there.
It's not been open. That means there's more fireworks in it. What about that box right there? Check, what about that box in the corner?
It's open and it's traction.
What's in it? Look in that cooler right there.
So fucking heavy.
Open it.
Let me.
There's not lumber out here.
It may be beer or something like that.
Some tools or some shit.
Why you gotta bring everything out?
God damn.
Okay, I'm gonna stop recording now.